Hey, welcome to another video. Do you also live in an area where from time to time they break into people's cars to steal accessories or navigation, steering wheels, whatever? Usually what happens is that they, here you can't see it, but many cars have a very small window in the back, which is very easy to break, doesn't make any noise, and then they can very easily with their hand just open up the back door. And then just enter your car without anybody noticing it. I have a very small trick, super effective, that I'll show you. It won't stop people from trying to break into your car, but they won't be able to steal anything anymore because the alarm goes off and there's way too much noise. And I'll show you what you can do right now. So, of course people trying to get into the back of your car and open the door. But here's the secret. If you enable on your car this children's lock feature, so like this, sehr schön, and then you close it, even if they slam a window, they can no longer open it from the outside because of the child's lock. So, and just to give you an example what I'm talking about, imagine the nasty person is on the outside, and then he goes via the window and he tries to open it. Verdammter Scheiße, he cannot open it. And that's fantastic. Yeah, and as a result, the alarm goes off. There's a lot of noise. The nasty person cannot open the door anymore and then just runs away because of all the chaos. Only need to repair a very small window, not too much hassle, but at least there's not major damage to your car. Just because of the fact that you have this child's lock in your car, which is there basically in every car. I hope you found it useful. Let me know if you've tried something like this and if it worked. And I hope you can stay safe out there and that your car stays safe too. Take care and see you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen!